Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 813842. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals for your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case, you selected the Cooler Master HAF 922. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a look inside and show you the parts that you ordered. This is Windows 7 booting up on a Crucial M4 128GB SSD. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 550LC liquid cooling unit. And that is cooling an AMD FX 6300 processor. Beside that you have 16GB of 1600 MHz RAM. And for your graphics card you selected the NVIDIA GeForce GTX Titan. And these have all been installed on an ASUS M5A97 motherboard. For lighting in the system, you selected the NZXT Hue color changing system. Powering your system is a Kingwin 850W power supply. And for storage, we have your Crucial M4 128GB SSD, along with a secondary 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. We've given you Western Digital Caviar Blue. Taking a look at the front of your computer, you have two USB 3.0 ports, eSATA, your headphone and mic jack. Below that, we have your NZXT2 Century fan. Below that, we have your NZXT Century 2 fan controller. To use this fan controller, you're going to make sure you're on manual. Then you're going to use this fan icon here to select the fan you want to control. 1 is going to be closest to the front, and 5 is going to be closest to the back. And then you're going to press plus or minus to speed up or slow down that fan. Below that is your NZXT Hue lighting system control panel. And below that we have your DVD writer. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two PS2 ports, two USB 3.0 ports, 6 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your audio jacks. And below that we have the ports for your graphics card. We have two DVI, HDMI, and display, and the antenna for your wireless. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. Going into File Explorer, you'll see your 128GB SSD along with your 1TB secondary hard drive. In System Properties, you'll see your AMD FX 6300 processor with 16GB of RAM and Windows 7 Home Premium as your operating system. And in Device Manager, your NVIDIA GeForce GTX Titan graphics card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. And its main purpose is to stress the graphics card as well as the processor and to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, all the components in your computer are fully operational and the computer is working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com. And thanks again for choosing Ironside.